I'm here right now in Simply Plants and Trading. This is located between the crossing of that's Kabangkalan Road and the straight line is Banilad Road. So it's not easy to miss this one because this is a very nice display of ornamental plants of all sorts, and they have some very unique pieces in here, and they are also repotting it. You can buy it in a full grown version, and also they have the ready to grow version. So like some people don't like to have or don't like to wait for a plant to grow, you can buy the full grown one. And of course, like you know, full grown plants are also expensive because the time and care invested by the carer of that plant is the thing you have to consider. But if you have the patience to have baby plants, you can see that they have some potted ones there. So, and you don't like going far from the city because you're living in a condo, this is one place I could recommend you to visit. This is Simply Plants and Trading. And they're also selling, as you can see here in the back, they're also selling mixed soil by sacks. That's 150 pesos per sack, but it's already been mixed with rice husk, loam soil, and other stuff that makes your gardening easier. And you can also buy like vermicast what I got here. You know, this one, that's a good fertilizer for your gardening and potting needs. So what I'm looking at here are grasses and different items. So they have some beautiful plants here. And of course, it coincides with the pricing because like I said, you have to consider the time and care for it to grow as big as that. And look at this inverted plants. Look at this. 20,000 pesos including the pot, the fiber pot it's grown. Wow. And here all the little palm trees, the grasses, it's well displayed. Cypress. Oh my god, snake plants. It's beautiful. There, the big aloe vera, I expect that about over $1,000. But this is one nice nursery right in the heart of the city, right in the heart of North Cebu City. Very beautiful. I'm really liking those bromeliads, or that one that's like the one that I've been throwing away in my place, and all the ground orchids. I didn't realize that you can grow it like this horsetail thing. That's beautiful. But that's 5,000 pesos including the stand, the pedestal stand. But I think it's worth the price because it's been well cared for and it's easy to grow them now. So very nice. I could stay here longer if I had my choice to look at all the plants and look at how they're growing. All these ones here. Oh, adeniums. Really nice. But like I said, you don't have to travel far. You just come here. So it also add up to the value of the pricing. And you go up here. They have more stocks over here. Very nice place. It's a well laid out garden center. It's called Simply Plants and Gardens. Simply Plant Trading. Oh, look at this spider grass. And it's really good now. So they have a wide collection of Birkins, calatheas, prayer plants. Some said that it might be expensive, but you, like I said, it's taking away the stress and the transport to going up the hills. This is in the heart of the city, and so you can just pick up the plant and go home in just a matter of minutes. Unlike if you go to Balamban where we are, it becomes a whole day trip just to go there and search for plants. You know how far it was. I've been showing you the trip that when I go there, it's not easy. It's not an easy ride. But once you go to the Central Highway, of course, it isn't gonna be an easy ride. But for people that's only want a plant or two, it's not really recommendable that you go to the expense of driving towards the hill if you're not really a big gardener yourself, or if you're just doing it for the leisure driving, then it's fine. But the actual driving that you go to the hills to search for one pot or two pots, might as well just buy it here, all well taken care of and already rooted and stable. So it's a very nice place. Simply Plants and Trading.